Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, just click on it here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to dark mode, so then you just click here in this sign and you just click on it like you see here, this color server as. So then here light mode, it's going to change to dark mode like you see now here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.